Hello, C12B Francis. This is Stan here. I've been thinking about the future and about us. And, well, I'm going to be 32 this October, and I feel like I'm ready to put down roots and that. What I'm saying is I'd like to marry you. Over. Hello, hello.
You won't believe what you're going to hear.
Yes, gentlemen. Is there some sort of a problem?
Yes. General Galtieri has retaken the Falkland Islands.
Oh, really? General Galtieri has just retaken the Falkland Islands?
Yes.
I see. And what would you actually like us to do about it?
Well, I'm telling you so you can pass it on to the, you know.
The task force!
Oh, right. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll have a word with the Prime Minister, and no doubt she'll send a couple of ships down that way tomorrow. All right, gents. Madam, about your poodle, did you say it was a creamy colour?
This is it, Billy. We're going to have to do this ourselves. We are going to have to go to the Falklands. How are we going to get down there, Billy? We haven't got any money.
Well, we'll just have to take it.
Yeah, but we'd need millions. I mean, we've got to get the air tickets, guns...
Smart uniforms.
Where are we going to get our hands on that kind of money?
It's impossible.
All right, that's 2 million. That's 3 million. 4 million. 5 million.